Now we're back to learning Inkscape in a year, day 10. Let me show you how you can change the fill and stroke color. We'll stick with the rectangle. When I left click drag, you can see something has happened, but we can't really see it. So if I deselect it, it seems to be gone. I reselect the area and you can see the bounding box again. So we have an element, we have a rectangle, the fill color is white, and on a white background you can't see it. If I select it, you can see this gray circle inside of the white swatch, and below there it says fill and stroke. You can see specific parameters and values for the object. And if I now left click on the black color swatch, this changes. So the gray circle changes and also the fill parameter on the bottom left. And this is how you can change the fill basically. Just left click on an area and you're good. The X right here, this is to set it to none. So when you don't want your objects or elements to have a fill, just click here. Gray circle should be positioned there and it says fill none. So how can we change the stroke? Well, to do that you left click as well, but while you do, you hold shift. So without holding shift, you adjust the fill, and with holding shift, you adjust the stroke. And then you can see it right here at the bottom left. It changes the parameter. And then there's a second circle, and this one is not filled out. It's simply an outline circle. So that always indicates the stroke color. Obviously you can make it also white and set it to none. Again, hold shift, left click on a white color swatch or on the X right here. And this goes for all elements, even for text. Let me show you as an example an ellipse. Here you can see at the top right, it gives us the basic style, which is the same as the bottom left. I simply left click to give it a red fill, and then I hold shift and click on a black color swatch to give it a black stroke. And these are the basics of changing the fill and stroke color in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.